So what is your message to the parents, Indian parents?
Yeah, this is something I would like to elaborate. And in India, the education system is so strong, and it is considered there is only education, there is no other activity for a child. But I request the parents to keep themselves more open-minded than this. Because of this, the student or the individual child who has many faculties is losing his faculties, getting into depressions, losing his life. And a parent should not become responsible at the end of the day for the child's failure. So I would say that the parents should examine, talk to him on a friendly basis, and identify his pros and cons, his capabilities, his decision making, or his abilities, his credentials, and try to just not dictate him what he should do. Give him an option, give him various options to do what they think he can do better. So let the decision be at the end of the day be in the student's hands or the child's hand, so that he will never regret that. He will never regret for. I will say that he will never regret, and also the parents will never regret. And when it comes to biology, they should be very clear that they should not compare biology with IT. Biology is knowledge oriented, and wherever there is knowledge, there is no money, or there is only money which is necessary for survival. So this has to be taken into consideration, and knowledge oriented people, they are introspective, and they are always high on thinking. So they like solitude or something like that, and loneliness, and they want to identify the invisible world. They want to understand the invisible world. So they should be encouraged with more patience. So you should identify some of these parameters in your child, and maybe you should give a lot of mental support to the student. And it may be that this particular student who got this patience, this patient hearing, and this type of support may be truly a genius who can bring out breakthroughs in biology. And biology is the subject where there is huge innovation possible, and it is good, but it is not a highly money fetching discipline, and it's also not short term short term success oriented subject. So these two things the parents should take care of, and keep the health of the student or their child in perspective, and then give him the right decision or right support whenever he needs. And once in research, most likely the student will be under a lot of other pressures other than science. Even at that point of time, the parents should take the initiative of intervening into his personal activities, and trying to talk to him friendly, get the information out, and trying to counsel him regularly as a friend, so that he will be normal, still he will be on the path of exploring the passion which he is into right now. So that will be my, it's not a big advice, but I will say that these are the cautionary points which every parent has to take care of his child, his or her child, when they are putting in biology, especially in research field.